October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and today we'll be discussing the impact guns can have on domestic violence situations. Both West Virginia and Ohio have specific provisions preventing those accused of domestic violence from purchasing firearms. We spoke to law enforcement on both sides of the river about these provisions and why they are important for survivors.
And those have been convicted of domestic violence, whether that be misdemeanor level or felony level, the state of Ohio says you're not allowed to have, possess, own, carry, use firearms.
In West Virginia, the law prohibits anyone convicted of domestic violence from possessing firearms.
If you've been arrested for domestic violence or have a protective order that sometimes shows up, most of the time shows up on that criminal history, that would prohibit the firearm dealer from selling the gun to the prohibited person.
Gun violence also changes how police may respond to a call about domestic violence. Chief Katie Warden with the Marietta Police Department explains that domestic violence calls are some of the most dangerous calls an officer responds to.
And when firearms are involved, the risks of homicide and serious fatalities and injuries drastically increases.
If you are concerned your abuser may have purchased a gun, Captain Eric Hunter advises you to contact law enforcement and your victim's advocate.
During that process, during that time frame, the abuser isn't allowed to possess firearms, and we'd like to know about it.
Chief Warden adds that victims should emphasize their concerns about abusers possessing firearms to the judge, as judges make the final call.
It's really important that victims stand up for themselves, and if they don't feel safe and they know that there's a firearm in the house, that they request it be removed.
Next week, we'll do a deeper dive into the 2 domestic violence shelters in our area and the services they provide. For WTAP News, I'm Emma Grace Myers.